So we will start our class today. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahano Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karvavahai Tejasvinavadhetamastu ma Vidvishavahai Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Om Shuklambaradharam Vishnum Shashivaranam Chaturbhujam Prasannavadanam Gyayet Sarva Vignopasantaye Om Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada Sada Shiva Samarambham Shankaracharya Madhyamam Asmadacharya Paryantam Vande Guru Paramparam Shruti Smriti Purananam Alayam Karunalayam Namami Bhagavat Pada Shankaram Loka Shankaram Shankaram Shankaracharyam Narayanam Sutra Bhashya Krito Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punaha Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha Guru Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Sri Chinmaya Yati Shasya Gurum Vande Tapovanam Tam Himavat Vibhutim Vai Jnana Vairagya Rupinam Samasta Jana Kalyane Niratam Karunamayam Namami Chinmayam Devam Sadgurum Brahmavitvaram. In our tradition, there is one thing of invocation. हमारे परंपरा में ये मंगलाचरण की बहुत ही अपेक्षा रखते हैं. We pray, we bow down, all of them, to complete our studies without obstacles or less obstacles, or if it comes as the byproduct, may we have the enough courage and strength to cross over it. ये मंगलाचरण हम लोग करते हैं क्योंकि हमारा क्लास, हमारा ये जो कक्षा, ये निर्विघ्न में समापन हो जाए, विघ्न कम आए, और अगर आए तो हम लोगों के पास ऐसे ताकत हम लोग भिक्षा करते हैं जिसमें हम लोग ये सारे विघ्नों को आसानी से पार कर सकते हैं. So when we started our Bhakti Darshan Narada Bhakti Sutra, a lot of people asked me to clarify the meaning of invocation, hymns, chanting. So I told them that whenever I will start Vedanta class, I will do that, because they requested me in between of our session. तो बहुत सारे लोग मुझे पूछा था कि ये मंगलाचरण मंत्र का अगर मीनिंग आप बोल दे तो अच्छा होगा. सो फर्स्ट, सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै. ये सह नौ अवतु. Avatu is in imperative mode. Protect us. Sahano. So Om, together we two move in our studies, the teacher and the student. अगर गुरु या शिक्षक ना रहे तो शिष्य की आवश्यकता भूमिका ही नहीं, और शिष्य ना रहे तो गुरु का भी भूमिका नहीं. If there is no student, where is the question of teacher? And if there is no teacher, then what about the student? So both should be protected, teacher and students. So Sahana Vavatu means Sahanau Avatu. O Parameshwar, O Lord of the Lord, O Supreme Being, protect us both, Guru and Shishya. Sahanau Bhunaktu. So हम दोनों एक साथ ये शिक्षा की फायदा उठा सकते. Together may we too relish our studies. Two means teacher and students. Together may we perform with vigor. Saha Viryam. Viryam is the strength. Virya ka artha abhyantarin shakti. Saha Viryam karvavahe. If the students are very much with energy and vitality and teacher is sleeping, then that teaching process is not good. Or maximum time what happens, teacher is teaching, but students are in yoga nidra, meditating sleep. So here, this portion, sahabiryam karvavahai, means both we must have the same vitality and energy to transmit the knowledge. इस ज्ञान प्रवाह को धारावाहिक रखने के लिए, कार्यकारी होने के लिए, ये गुरु और शिष्य दोनों को समान सामर्थ्यवान होना चाहिए या सामर्थ्यवती होना चाहिए. May what has been studied by us be fulfilled with brilliance of understanding leading to knowledge. Tejasvi navadhi, Tejasvi now avadhi, tamastu. So the thing is, विद्या की जो फल ये दोनों के ऊपर आ जाए, विद्या की जो ऊर्जा ये दोनों में आ जाए समान तरीका से, मा विद्विषावहै, may we not do any vidvesh, jealousy, hatred among each other. Teachers, students, students. Because Now it is online class, so we are safe. When it is live class, means students really come, and it mainly happens in ashram, where we think that Acharya doesn't love me. Acharya is very much partial to him or her. ये अक्षर आ जाता है कि आचार्य मुझे प्रेम नहीं करते, आचार्य सिर्फ उनके बारे में बोलते हैं। ये सारे मन में पैदाइश होता है, क्योंकि मन से बड़ा दुष्ट कोई नहीं है और मन से बड़ा बंधु कोई नहीं। No one is the greater enemy than our mind, and no one is the greatest friend than our mind. But the thing is, most of the lives, most of the time, most of the years of our mind, important lifespans, our mind is spinning us. पूरा जिंदगी भर मन हम लोगों को घुमा रहा है। So this is the prayer of Veda. Sahanavavatu sahano bhunatu sahviryam karvavahai tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Three types of Om: peace, peace, peace. So three kinds of obstacles come in our life: adhyatmic, adhi bhautik, and adhi daivi. Kram or serial may be different sometimes. Sometimes say adhi daivik, adhi bhautik, adhyatmic. Some say adhi bhautik, adhi daivik, adhyatmic. The main basic purport of the thing is three types of obstacles come in our life. What is adhyatmic? Or first we start with adhi bhautik, the obstacles from others. Suppose we are going along with the road, रास्ते से जा रहा है, and suddenly a dog bites, और पेड़ गिर गया, trees fallen. I have seen sudden things. So those are adhi bhautik. And then Adi Daivika is like natural calamities, earthquake, bar, corona recently. So Adi Daivik is ये प्राकृतिक विपर्जय जिसके ऊपर हमारा कोई हाथ नहीं। और तीसरा जो है वो है आध्यात्मिक, and that is the biggest hurdle in our life. And what is that? That is the problem created by me, myself, for me. Our mind. हमारा मन जो चीज पैदाइश करते हैं, जिनके लिए हम लोग पूरा जिंदगी बचपन से लेकर मरते दम तक दौड़ रहा हूं. Our mind. Our mind itself indulges us to attend Vedanta class. And the same mind you will find will try to find excuses to not attend to the class. So, 3 बार शांति ये सारे बाधाओं को प्रशमित करने के लिए 3 types of peace prayer, peace invocation, to cross over 3 basic kinds of hurdles. In our life, infinite number of hurdles we face, but any number of hurdles are classified into these 3. Then our mantra was Shuklambaradharam Vishnu. So this is the meditation or invocation prayer for Lord Ganesha, Gananam Isha, जो सारे भूत का प्रभु है, who is the Lord of the whole universe, all beings. Ganesha, how is he? Shuklambaradharam. His, because you know, when we meditate as if the whole idol is in front of me. What is Ganesha's dress? Shukla Ambara, the white sky like dress. Vishnu. Vishnu is coming from Vish Dhatu. Vishnu means in one word Lord Vishnu, but here Vishnu word has been used in different sense. Vishnu means Vyapanashilah. Here Vishnu means all pervasive. So my Lord Ganesha is wearing the cloth, white cloth, it's like space. And how is he? He is Vishnu. He is Vyapanashila. He is all pervasive. He is pervaded in everywhere else. How is his color? Shashi Varnam. His color is like the bright or brilliant, like the full moon. Shashi Varnam. How is he? And he is having 4 hands. Chaturbhujam. There are many meanings of why Chaturbhujam. I will not go deeper into that. Chaturbhujam, and his Prasanna Vadanam is always compassionate, content, always Prasanna Vadanam. Dhyayet. We are going down, we are meditating. Sarva Vigno Prashantaye. To tranquil all the hurdles come into our life. Sarva Vigna Prashantaye. Sarva Vigna Upashantaye. सारे बाधाओं को, सारे विघ्न को शांत करने के लिए हम लोग वही गणपति को नमन करता हूं, जिनका पोशाक स्वरूप आकाश है, सफेद वर्ण की आकाश, जिनका रंग पूनम की चंद्रमा जैसे है, जिनकी 4 हाथ है, एंड जो सदा प्रसन्न. We bow down to that Lord Ganesh. Then Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhir Bhavati. In some Purana we see the creator Ganesh, a creator, Brahmaji's wife is Saraswati. Saraswati. Mata Saraswati. Mother Saraswati. Saraswati is the goddess of knowledge. In our scripture, everything is symbolic. So if Brahmaji, not Brahman, okay, not Supreme Brahman or Brahma, he is Brahmaji. We consider him as the creator of the whole universe. He is the laborer actually. Creator is the main Supreme Lord. So he is the creator portion. So कोई चीज बनाने के लिए आपको ज्ञान की जरूरत है. So wife is considered as the second half, Ardhangini. So for the creator, for his creation, knowledge is verily required. Other than knowledge, how should we create anything else? So Saraswati, here Saraswati is Dirgha, E. But in that mantra it is Saraswati, Raswai. I don't know whether you have noticed it or not. Maybe someone has corrected there. Instead of Ikara, we have made it Saraswati. But not Saraswati. Raswa Ikara is correct because it is Sambodhanam, invocation. There Ikaranta becomes I. O Saraswati, O Mother Saraswati. Hey Varade. So, Varade means जो वरदान करते हैं, the giver of the boons. O giver of the boons, Varade. O कामरूपिणी, जो सारे कामनाओं को पूर्ण करते. और एक वेदांत की शिष्य होने के नाते हम लोगों का एक ही कामना है, इस ज्ञान को पाना. So, as a student of Vedanta, our only desire should be to understand the knowledge correctly imparted by the Guru and abiding in this knowledge. So, Kama Rupini, O fulfiller of all desires, Vidyarambham Karishyami. So, when I begin my studies, Karishyami, it's first person singular number. When I start my studying, when I begin my studies, please bestow on me the capacity of right understanding always. पूरा ये जो शिक्षा प्रोसेस चल रहा है, I understand correctly, because correct understanding is the main thing in this teaching process. Because we will discuss every day in some part, the problem of life is only the incorrect understanding of our life. So जब ये सुधारने के मौका मिला, when we get the chance to rectify it, give me that sort of intellect which understands correctly. Siddhir bhavatu me sada. Then Sada Shiva Samarambham Shankaracharya Madhyamam Asmadacharya Paryantam Vande Guru Parampara. It is considered Lord Shiva is the first teacher. Devadidev Mahadev हम लोगों का पहला गुरु है. So, salutation to the lineage actually in this invocation mantra, it is a salutation to the lineage, Guru Parampara. What started, that Guru lineage started from Sada Shiva. It is not sometimes Shiva, sometimes not Shiva. Shiva means auspiciousness. Shiva means holiness. Shiva means tranquility. Shiva means पवित्रता, अपार शांति. इसलिए शिव का आरक नाम है शंकर. The another name of Lord Shiva is Shankara. Shankarati iti Shankara. जो सारे चीज को प्रशमन करते हैं. What helps us to make everything in a tranquility, in a balanced way. Sadashiva Samarambha. But how should we get Lord Shiva as our teacher now? So we need help. We need via media. So Asmadacharya, my own teacher, is the embodiment of Lord Shiva alone. And how that lineage comes in between Adi Shankaracharya, Bhagavat Pad Shankaracharya ji is there. So, from Lord Shiva, a lot of lineage, then Shankaracharya ji, then Guru, Mayacharya. So the same teaching, the lineage is getting continued. So I go down to that Guru Parampara, the Guru lineage, teacher, student, teaching really lineage. Asmadacharya Paryantam Vande Guru Parampara. Then Shruti Smriti Purananam Alayam Karunalayam. Namami Bhagavat Padam Shankaram Loka Shankaram. I prostrate to Adi Shankaracharya, who is nothing but an incarnation of Lord Shiva, who causes welfare to the universe, who is the repository of the divine knowledge of Vedas, Upanishads, and texts of mythology, and who is the embodiment of mercy. Shruti Smriti Purananam Shashti Tatpurush. Shruti Grantha Veda, Smriti Grantha Gita Adi, and Purana like Bhagavatam etc. इन सब को Alayam Karunalayam. So he is Alayam Karunalayam. ये शंकराचार्य कौन है? ना करुणा की आधार है, करुणा की निलय, निलय की मतलब घर, वही भगवत पाद शंकराचार्य का आचार्य की पवित्र पाद पद्म में मेरा नमन। शंकरम शंकराचार्यम केशवम वादरायणम सूत्र भाष्य कृतो वंदे भगवंतो पुनः पुनः। सैल्यूटेशन, मेरा नमन टू Shankara, who has explained the mystic lore handed down to us by Vadarayana, Vyasa. So Shankaram Shankaracharya. Shankaracharya is nothing but Shankara. And Keshavam, Vadarayana Vyasam is nothing but Bhagavan Vishnu, Keshava. So Vadarayana Vyasam, let us adore him again and again. Om Bhagavan Shankara. Then Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Sri Gurave. So this is the salutation to my own Acharya, who is the creator, sustainer, and who is the Karta, doer of all dissolution. Guru Sakshat Param Brahma. My Guru is nothing but the Supreme Being alone, the Supreme Brahman alone. Tasmai Sri Gurave Namah. I bow down to that Guru. Then it was another invocation for our Tapovanji Maharaj, the Guru of our Pujya Gurudev, Swami Chinmayananda Ji, Sri Chinmaya Yatishasya. Sannyasi were the Lord of Sannyasis, Chinmayananda Ji's Gurum Vande Tapovanam. Tapovan Maharaj, I bow down to him, who is the teacher of the Lord of the monk, our Gurudev, Sri Chinmayananda Ji. Tvam himavat vibhutim vai jnana vairagya rupina. How is Tapovan Maharaj? His glory, his brilliance is like himavat, like the glacier. उनका विभूति हिमवत है, and he is the embodiment of knowledge and dispassion and love and compassion. तपोवन महाराज कौन है? न तपोवन महाराज रूपिणम, embodiment, साक्षात रूप किसका? ज्ञान, वैराग्य, प्रेम और भक्ति। समस्त जन कल्याणे निरतम करुणामयम नमामि चिन्मयम देवम सद्गुरुम ब्रह्म विद्वरम. This is the salutation or invocation to our Pujya Gurudev, Swami Chinmayananda Ji, who has spent his life who has finished his life for the well-being of the society, well-being of the world. Samasta jana kalyane niratam. He was engaged to do well-being for us. Namami chinmayam devam. And he is karunamaya, ever compassionate. हमारे गुरु जैसे, गुरुदेव जैसे करुणामय और कौन है, जिन्होंने अपना जिंदगी, पूरा जिंदगी बिताया हम लोगों को पास वेद का जो दुर्मूल्य शिक्षा है उनको परिवेशन करने के लिए। उन्होंने हिमालय में रह सकते थे, परंतु सिर्फ हम लोगों के लिए उन्होंने अपना जीवन बिताया। समस्त जन कल्याणे निरतम करुणामयम नमामि चिन्मयम देवम सद्गुरुम ब्रह्मविद्वरम। He is Sadguru, S-A-D Guru. It is not sad Guru. It is Sadguru. Sat plus Guru. But as Ga is the soft consonant, that is why Ta becomes Da. Like Bhagavat Gita, but as Ga, for Ga, we say Bhagavad Gita. Like Sadguru, not sad Guru. So Sadguru, what is Sadguru? Who leads us to the Sat, to the truth, to the existence. He is Sadguru. Sadguru वही है जिन्होंने हम लोगों को सत की ओर ले जाते हैं। और ब्रह्मविद वरम, he is Brahmavid, the person of realization, realized soul of Brahman. We salute all of them. I think I could clarify all the invocation, chanting mantras or hymns according to my capacity. Now, there is a question that why we will study Vedanta. Why we come into the class? Why we study Vedanta? Basic needs were satisfied before we came to any ashram. It is true. भूखा पेट में धर्म नहीं होता. The spirituality is a little bit impossible in hungry stomach, hungry mind, apparently. So our 5 basic needs, when it is fulfilled, जब हमारा 5 जरूरत, बेसिक जरूरत पूरा हो जाते हैं, देन ज्ञान की चाहत होता है. मन में प्रश्न उठता है, क्यों मैं यहां, क्यों वो यहां? Why I am here? I am here, but why my wretched neighbor just beside me? क्यों मेरा पड़ोसी मेरे पास में है? So all sorts of questions, क्यों मेरे ऊपर सारे चीज आते हैं? We feel there is some problems and limitations in life. And that is why a sense of incompleteness we face. It has been seen in my own life. Whether I am satisfied in my own life, there we can see others' life. जब मन में पूर्णता आ जाता है, आपेक्षिक, तब हम लोग दूसरे को देखते हैं, सिर्फ दूसरे को नहीं, दूसरों चीज को भी बारे में हम लोग सोचते हैं। वेदांत करेक्ट्स अस द प्रोसेस ऑफ इंक्वायरी, चिंतन प्रणाली, खोज की प्रणाली। द सेंस ऑफ incompleteness means something is lacking either any object or any person. कोई वस्तु और व्यक्ति के लिए हर पल एक अभाव बोध, sense of incompleteness, that I am missing something. In WhatsApp and in any other things, we sometimes, many times, I miss you, I miss you, I miss you, I miss you. So always that feeling of missing, something or somebody means सब लोग नहीं, who understands you, we miss them. We miss that object or articles. We have a notion that I'll be fulfilled by something or somebody outside. And for that, our whole activities, सारे कर्म हम लोग इसीलिए करते हैं कि हम लोग सोचते हैं, यह हमारा एक भ्रांत धारणा है कि बाहर से आने वाले, बाहर में रहने वाले व्यक्ति और वस्तु के द्वारा मेरे जीवन का सारे अशांति, सारे अपूर्णता चला जा सकता है. And mainly we go to the temple, go to the ashram, sit beside our guru, through or by or for this sense of incompleteness. We add a lot of people in our life. We add a lot of objects in our life and think why? Mainly because of from the sense of incompleteness within. अपने अंदर में जो अपूर्णता की आभास है, अपूर्णता की चाहत है, अपूर्णता की भागदौड़ है, इसके लिए हम लोग रोज रोज नया नया पीपल लोग ढूंढते हैं, फेसबुक में दोस्त बनाते हैं, नया नया फिजिकल फ्रेंड्स, नया नया ऑब्जेक्ट्स खरीदते हैं. We add people and objects in our life. But we have also noticed through adding people or objects, not a single thing solve our problem permanently. कोई भी व्यक्ति और वस्तु परमानेंट सॉल्यूशन नहीं देते. And I become restless through my sense of incompleteness, knowingly or unknowingly. That becomes our fundamental instinctive desire. And that is why we go for shopping. हम लोग अगर चिंतन करेंगे तो हम लोग देखेंगे कि ये व्यक्ति और वस्तु, चाहे वो हस्बैंड हो, वाइफ हो, दोस्त हो, बेटा हो या बेटी हो, चंचलता ज्यादा प्रोड्यूस करते हैं शांति के सिवा। लेकिन ये चंचलता ऐसी बेसिक इंस्टिंक्ट बन गया हम लोगों का, इसीलिए हम लोग भाग दौड़ करते हैं। We do shopping, we think that the object will give us the happiness. What is house? Just think. What is house? It is a thought of safety from where nobody will ask me to go. अगर कागज पेन में ये मेरा घर है तो, नहीं तो अक्सर हम लोग देखते हैं घर से माँ को निकाल दिया, पिताजी को निकाल दिया, लिखा लिया, अपना घर रहते हुए भी घर में नहीं। आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट थिंग्स, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ घर, जहां से मुझे कोई निकाल जाओ ये बोलेगा नहीं, निकालेगा नहीं। So house produces that sense of security thought. For a sannyasi, the whole universe is his house. If not एक स्पेशल कमरा के लिए अपना घर, अपना बिस्तर, अपना चेयर में अगर एडिक्शन हो जाए तो वो सन्यासी नहीं, सन्यासी के वेश में संसारी है। सन्यासी is who or he or she who considers the whole universe is his house. Just think, our house, does it really give the sense of proper, appropriate security? Then why do we lock our door before going to bed? Our ministers, who are the protectors, so-called protector of the citizens, defense minister, Pratiraksha Mantri, who has taken the vow that I will secure the whole country, and see how many security personals provide securities to him or her. So, हमारा चिंतन प्रणाली में ही हम लोग फंसे हुए हैं. We are trapped in our incorrect understanding, incorrect thought process. In that case, you know, some people think that objects are more safer than person, because they don't ask feelings from you. Person आप कोई joke बोले, so we expect that people will laugh or smile. If I smile, I expect that my opponent or opposite person will smile at me. यंत्र का ये भावना नहीं. For objects, that is not problem. But we are not satisfied. Then we start petting dog. I am not against of dog or any animals. I am just trying to tell about the thinking process of us. As long as we will search fulfillment from outside object or person, till our sense of incompleteness will be there. Why do we search for friends? We think that we will get freedom from all problems from that person, sharing that person. जब तक मन में ये खोज रहेगा बाहर के वस्तु से, तब तक मन में अशांति, अपूर्णता रहेगा. That is the science. ओम स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्ताम् न्यायेन मार्गेण महीं महिषाः गो ब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यम् लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु काले वर्षतु पर्जन्यः पृथिवी सस्यशालिनी देशो रहितः ब्राह्मणाः सन्तु निर्भयाः ओम सर्वेषां स्वस्ति भवतु सर्वेषां शान्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु ओम सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय आविराविर्मयेधि ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ. Today also from 11 o'clock we will start another class. We will learn the art of Sanskrit chanting. Tuesday and Friday 11 to 11:30. There we will start from the basics, how to pronounce the Sanskrit word. One day we will chant, we will learn Vedic chanting with proper intonation. With proper intonation. And another day, means Friday or another day, we will learn Gita chanting. A lot of people ask me that 11 o'clock or after his business is there. So we can't adjust because in the afternoon time, our other study groups are there. Our respected acharyas or sevakas, they conduct classes. Kalra ji, Vivek ji, Raksha Lohia ji, Sunita ji, Sarda ji. So a lot of people are conducting classes. Lalit ji, all our pretty classes are there. So morning time is the best time for us, but a lot of people can attend this. So we will upload this in YouTube. You can search Divakar Chaitanya and go there. You will find every day's class if we miss. Or if anybody is very much interested in these classes, but they can't attend the class because of the time schedule, this is our blessings that we are getting that online classes, and we can save it and share it to others. We can subscribe, we can tell people to watch it afterwards. Hari Om Tat Sat. We will meet again at sharp 11 o'clock. You inform your friends and study group or anyone else who are interested in learning proper Sanskrit chanting. Hari Om Tat Sat.
Hari Om, sir.
Hari
Thank
Om.
you.